How to download Facebook Messenger chat conversation. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. You will land to the home page. Now head towards the menu page. Once you land to the menu page, at the top right corner you will find the settings icon. Click on it. You will land to the settings and privacy page. Now over here you're gonna find different sections. Scroll down. Under your information you'll find the option of download your information. Click on it. Now click on Continue. Now click on this option Download or Transfer Information. Now check in for your Facebook account and then click on Next. How much information do you want? Click on this option of Specific Types of Information. Now over here you're going to find different options. Scroll down. Find the option of Messages. Once you find it, you have to check in for the option of Messages only. After you check in for the option of Messages, click on Next. Select the option of Download to Device and then click on Next. Now click on this option of Date Range. From here you can customize the date range. Click on Save. Click on this option of Format. You can select the format type. Click on the option of Media Quality. From here you can select the media quality. I'm gonna set it to high. After you customize all these settings, you can click on the option of Create Files. Once your file is ready, you will be notified through your email address that is linked with your Facebook account. Well, this is how you can easily download Facebook Messenger chat conversation. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.